The sky flashes. Once, twice. Then it doesn't stop. Imagine standing under a night sky that refuses to go dark. No pause, no silence, just constant lightning. This is real, and it's happening over Lake Maracaibo. But here's what makes this place different. This isn't a storm passing through. This storm lives here. Almost every night, the sky above this lake explodes with light, hundreds of flashes, then thousands, sometimes up to 28 lightning strikes every second. Think about that. Before you finish this sentence, the sky has already flashed dozens of times. So what's causing this? Why here? And nowhere else like it? It starts with a trap. Lake Maracaibo sits inside a giant natural bowl, mountains surround it on almost every side. During the day, the lake heats the air. At night, that warm air rises. At the same time, cold air rushes down from the mountains. They collide, violently, over and over again, like two invisible forces that never stop fighting. And that's when the sky starts charging. Clouds build, energy separates. Positive, negative, tension grows, silently, until flash. But here's where it gets even stranger. The lightning here doesn't behave normally. Most of it never even touches the ground. It stays trapped inside the clouds, flashing across the sky, like a giant electrical web, which makes the entire sky glow, not just for a second, but continuously. And it's so bright, people hundreds of kilometers away can see it. Sailors once used it as a guide, not a lighthouse, not a map, but lightning, constant lightning. Now you'd expect something this powerful to be dangerous all the time, but here's the twist. It's mostly distant, floating above the lake, which means you can watch it without being directly in it. A storm you can safely witness, but never control. And then something happened that no one expected. 1 year. It stopped. Completely. No flashes, no storms, no light. For weeks, then months. The most electrified place on Earth went silent. Scientists were confused. What could stop something this powerful? Was it the weather, the temperature, changes in the atmosphere? No one had a clear answer. And then, just as suddenly as it disappeared, it came back, like nothing ever happened. Which leads to a bigger question. Is this permanent? Or are we watching something that could vanish one day? Because this phenomenon depends on balance. Airflow, heat, moisture, change one piece, and the entire system could collapse. So right now, somewhere on Earth, there's a place where the sky never stops flashing, where night is never fully dark, and where nature is quietly running one of the most powerful light shows on the planet. But the real question is, how long will it last? Subscribe for more real stories that feel unreal.